How to edit a TikTok video. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. After you've clicked your TikTok video, simply you'll find edit option in here. On right side, you'll find box-like option with two arrows on it. Simply click on it. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find all the options to edit like split, replace, delete, add sound, speed, crop, and many other editing tools. After you're done, simply click on next on top right, and then you're good to go. This is how to edit a TikTok video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.